Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 微不足道 insignificant 微不足道微不足道 insignificant 微不足道嘅數目 insignificant amount 微不足道嘅數目出名 famous 出名出名 famous 第三街有間好出名嘅書店 There is a famous bookstore on 3rd Avenue. 第三街有間好出名嘅書店打乞嗤 sneeze 打乞嗤打乞嗤 sneeze 個女人喺度不停打乞嗤 The woman is sneezing non-stop 個女人喺度不停打乞嗤隨便 casual 隨便隨便 casual 今次聚會好隨便唔使特別打扮 This gathering is very casual. Don't worry about dressing up. 今次聚會好隨便唔使特別打扮吉他 guitar 吉他吉他 guitar 六弦吉他 six-string guitar 六弦吉他呼吸 breathe 呼吸呼吸 breathe 深呼吸 breathe deeply 深呼吸吐痰 spit 吐痰吐痰 spit 禁止吐痰 no spitting 禁止吐痰牙醫 dentist 牙醫牙醫 dentist 睇牙醫 see a dentist 睇牙醫蛀牙 cavity 蛀牙蛀牙 cavity 嚴重蛀牙 deep cavity 嚴重蛀牙哮喘 asthma 哮喘哮喘 asthma 哮喘吸入器 asthma inhaler 哮喘吸入器 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say insignificant? 微不足道微不足道 And how to say famous 出名出名 How about sneeze 打乞嗤打乞嗤 Do you remember how to say casual 隨便隨便 Let's try guitar 吉他吉他 What about breathe 呼吸呼吸 Now let's see if you remember how to say spit 吐痰吐痰 Another one, what about dentist? 牙醫牙醫 Do you remember how to say cavity? 蛀牙蛀牙 And finally, do you remember how to say asthma? 哮喘哮喘 Well done! See you next time! 再見
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.